Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adam Petrovsky, and I'm CFO of PAT Limited. This is Sina Olsen, and she's CFO of our company. And Elizabeth and Andrea are engineers. And our product is called Personal Allergen Tester. And basically, it detects allergen in foods. It's suitable for schools, restaurants, and personal use. We plan to launch stationary and mobile versions which can be carried around. And it's one of the best solutions for people who have very dangerous food allergies, who are allergic to traces of peanuts, to soy, to milk, to eggs, basically everything. So they can check the food if it doesn't contain those substances. We possess unique and patented technology, and our device has no direct competition at the moment. Let's move on to finances. We're seeking for $800,000 investment in our company. If we fail to raise this capital on ourselves just through banks and via our friends, we'd like to offer 20% of our company in exchange for $800,000 shareholder loan, which will be exchanged for 20% of share of our company. The loan will be repaid after 2 years, and shareholders will still keep the 20% of our company. Thus, we evaluate our company at $4 million. And we also estimated that our break-even point will be after 16 months from our startup. We plan to grow organically in Canada, US, and EU. We think these are the markets with biggest growth potential. For potential investor, there is a potential investor who can be interested in an exit strategy. It's possible to sell our company to a third party, big corporations like Roche, Johnson & Johnson. They may be very interested in our company. If we do very, very well, it's possible to go public. And we estimate our company, the value of our company after 4 years at $25 million, which will give our potential investor 6 times return on their investment. And now I'd like to Sina Olsen will present our target market.
Thanks. There is 6 types of allergies that make up for 90% of all food allergies. That means that people are most likely to be allergic to soy, wheat, eggs, milk, peanuts, or tree nuts, or seafood, which is our target market. So we will basically provide a product that will be targeted towards these 6 types of allergies. Our target market is, we have estimated that 14% of the population actually suffers from a food allergy. That means that it's people that are diagnosed from the doctors and people that self-diagnose. That means that our market, if we consider households consisting of 3 people each, means that we have 1.54 million of households just in Canada. In the US, we estimate that we have 14 million of households and 21 million households in the European Union. We consider our development phase to start up in 2008. We estimate that we can start production, which we consider that we plan on outsourcing to a third party. And from our production, we consider that we will introduce and use Canada as our first test market. Half a year from introducing in Canada, we consider that we will introduce in US and Europe simultaneously. And 1 year from introducing the stationary device, we estimate that we will be able to market a portable device. our sales channel, major sales channels is going to be pharmacies such as Safe on Food, London Drugs, and we will use magazines or doctors' offices as marketing channels, medical conventions, to make consumers aware of our product. We expect that we will be able to sell our product, the first device, the stationary device, for $1,000, and the portable one for $400. It is a very expensive device, but we expect that the willingness to pay for this device is very high, since there's nothing else to help actually sick people. They will be able to minimize the time spent on managing the allergies. So this device can actually help people a lot. We expect our units sold to increase when we, of course, enter the Canadian market, when we enter US and Europe, and when we produce and market new products. Yes.
Now, this is the last part. This is just a recap of our projected earning before interest, tax, and depreciation. As you can see, we estimate that we'll be operating with negative investing and operational cash flows for the first 5 quarters. Thus, we need financial support to maintain our operations. And after we launch our product, we are looking for a very big growth in our EBITDA up till 2013.
Yes, and thank you very much for your time.